In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Perplexity AI. Whether you're looking to secure your account or simply using a shared device, logging out is an important step to ensure your data remains safe. Let's break down the process, step by step, to make sure it's as easy as possible for you. First, we need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This might seem basic, but starting from a search engine like Google is a reliable way to access any website, especially if you're unsure of the exact web address. Once you've reached the Google homepage, move on to the search bar and type in Perplexity AI. This will bring up a list of search results related to the site we're aiming to visit. When you see the official Perplexity AI website pop up in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The next step involves locating your profile on the website, which you can usually find in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking here will reveal more options related to your account. Now that you're viewing your profile options, look for and select All Settings. This is where you can manage many elements of your account, including your security settings and logout preferences. Navigating to the settings page is crucial as it provides access to your account details. Once you have the settings page open, the next step is to click on Account. This link will guide you to the section where you can manage your personal information and account specifics. It's always wise to be familiar with this part of any service, as it's key to ensuring your information is accurate and up to date. As you scroll down the account page, keep an eye out for the Sign Out option. It's generally located towards the bottom of this page. Clicking this will effectively log you out from your Perplexity AI account. Logging out is essential, especially if you're on a public or shared computer, as it prevents unauthorized access to your account. Remember to make sure that your devices are secure and that your saved logins are protected by strong passwords. By logging out carefully, you're taking a solid step towards maintaining your online privacy and security. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can log out from Perplexity AI confidently and quickly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. So long for now, and see you in the next video.